Let's now place a few assets in the background. I'm gonna go ahead and select these mountains from here. And let's bring them down on Z axis. Let me first bring this window here. And I'm gonna bring these mountains down on Z to just about there. And I'm gonna also select these mountains from here. And let's bring them down on Z axis to just about there. I'm gonna move this playhead. Yeah, we're gonna have to duplicate these mountains and bring them maybe just about there. And yeah, maybe let's bring them down on Z axis as well to just about there. Okay. I'm gonna select these mountains. Let me enlarge this window. I don't think I need these mountains, so I'm gonna delete them. And I'm gonna get rid of these assets as well. And I think I can get rid of these assets from here as well. Let's move this playhead. Yeah, we're gonna have to place a mountain here. I'm gonna select this thing and press F to focus. I'm gonna select this one. And let's create a duplicate copy on X axis. Let's rotate this thing on Z to just about there. And let's place it somewhere around here. Okay. Let's move this playhead. Yeah, I think it looks good. I'm gonna go into the outliner and I think I can get rid of this level 1 scene. I don't think I need that for this shot. Let me get closer to this thing. Yeah, I don't need that. I'm gonna select all these assets and delete them. Okay. Let's unhide the folder of Minerva assets. And yeah, we're gonna need to, let's say, select and delete these assets from here. Yeah, I can get rid of them. And I'm gonna also select these assets as well and delete them. And I'm gonna do the same thing with this one as well. Let's deselect the landscape and I'm gonna delete them. Okay, we need to place a few assets here. So let me move this playhead and I'm just gonna select them. Yeah, let's select them from here. And I'm gonna create a duplicate copy on Y axis, rotate them on Z, like so, and bring them just about there. Let me get closer to this thing. And I'm gonna place it over here, let's say. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna now go into the content browser and let's open up this mission to my Minerva folder. I'm gonna go into actors and let's place this asset over here. I'm gonna move this thing on X-axis to just about there. And let's scale this thing up to just about there. I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna bring it down on Z-axis like so. And let's now bring in this asset. I'm gonna place it over here. And let's move it on X-axis to just about there. Let me move this playhead. I'll bring this asset over here, let's say. And let's bring it down on Z-axis to just about there. I'm gonna select this one and move it back on Y-axis to just about there. Okay. Let's place animation. Yeah, I think it looks pretty good. So that's pretty much it for this lesson. And in the next lesson, we'll begin the lighting section. So I'll see you guys in the next one.